as far as wake up views go, I think this one is pretty up there. Morning routine means so many different things for different people, but for me is literally get out of bed, light the fire, look out the window. That's it. And make a coffee. There's no like frantically diving out of bed because you know 10 minutes to get to work and all of this. Bear in mind, obviously, I'm not saying you shouldn't have work because you can't live without money, really. Let's be honest. Sucks, but ultimately you can't. But yeah, doing this, what I do now, means that I don't have to do that shit anymore. Because, you know, don't get me wrong, I have done it. It's not like I'm one of these people that have never had a job. I've done it. Rode that train, it sucks. So, you know, I knew that I wanted to live differently, and here I am. If someone had said to me, you know, sort of 9-10 years ago, that I was going to be doing this now and this would be possible, and I wouldn't need to do a conventional full-time job, I'd have looked at them like they were a crazy bum, which is probably what a lot of people think I am. I knew that I wanted to get the online income, so that's what I've done. Been slow, a long process. Obviously I'm not like raking it in, but earn enough to get by, and that's all thanks to this lifestyle. So this is what makes it possible. That's annoying though. Every time I look out I keep seeing that flipping rubbish. I'll try and climb over. I don't really want to climb over that wall because it looks like it's going to fall apart. See if there's a way around there in a bit and pick that up, because that's a piss take. Why would anyone do that in such a lovely place like this? Throw this shit over the wall. Baffles me, it really does. Blows my mind. Can't really say good morning because it's like 3 PM. The video I just edited took ages, but it's fine. It's nice to have a little chill. Great spot. Look at this forest. I absolutely love a forest. Gorgeous. Just going for a little wander. Oh, well, let's go have a look in there. That looks booky as hell. Now that is a proper thick forest, that is. A bit spooky in here, isn't it? God. I've brought my camera with me because I was going to try and find a picture. If there's anything in here, it's like something out of a horror movie in here. And yeah, just get a bit of exercise really. I hardly done anything. Wow, look at that tree. Crazy looking. Just looking at that tree, I just spotted this one and I thought, that looks like a pretty awesome photo. With the little dip in the wall lining up. I don't know. I'll throw it on screen now, it's probably not that good, but oh, look, someone knew I was going to park here and got it all prepared for me. that whole limb is obviously snapped off of there. I bet it was covering the road. Proper trees these are. Look at that gorgeous thing. I like trees, okay? I don't hug them, I just like to look at them. See down here, there's a reservoir. I'm not going to walk down to it because that is a mission to come back up. But I think there's a park up somewhere down there. I missed the turn yesterday. I need to get back out onto that big road and come down. I reckon we'll walk back up in a bit and see if we can get down there. So that'd be pretty nice, park near water. God, see how unfit I am, that breath. Need to get exercising more. Just looking at all these trees that have come down here. That can't be the storm that we've just had, surely. Can't be. It's insane, it's like Godzilla's come through here or something. That is mental. I just realised I'm stood under this one, which is... See them all leaning, that's crazy. And here's me thinking that I was safe because these trees are big. God, they must have made a whack when they went down. There's the van up there, look. See? God, it's camo green. I'd like to get sort of settled down now, fire up the burner and get comfy, but I think I'm going to try and see if we can go down there. I don't really want to stay in the same spot again. Right, so this is the road that I missed. It's interesting. I like that feeling when it's like, ooh, is this spot going to be any good? This could work. That's concerning. Tractor tyres though. Just adventuring. This is going to get bumpy down here, I think. I didn't reverse anymore. That's not bad, is it? That is not bad. The camera's not been on all evening. I've just been chilling out, watching telly. Really, had some dinner. Just, yeah, relaxing. So I just put my head out the roof for a bit. And it's pretty nice and starry. Yeah, I'm still at the same spot. But I moved down back to the car park because I could see like the tractor tracks in the mud. I didn't really want to get a knock on the door at 5 o'clock in the morning from a farmer who can't get a tractor out. But yeah, so that's what's happening. So there you go. Right, finish it there. So I'm going to do this for a bit and then go to bed. But I shall see you all tomorrow. Catch you in a bit.